You see, I finished blending it. See how it's smooth? See? I did not add any water to it. I just add a little. Now we're going to add salt to it. Let me explain the salt. If you add too much salt to it now, it's going to be salty. So you add a little bit of salt so that it will not be salty. I promise you, the salt that I'm going to use is going to make it delicious and it will not be salty. See? Just a little bit. About it. Now I've been stirring it, mixing it together, and I've tasted it. It's not salty. Now we'll go to the pan to use it. Before we go, you can use ice cream scoop or you can use this spoon. Make your choice. But today I'll be using ice cream scoop in case of people that does not want to use. You see. It's not so runny. That's it. Don't let it stick to the bottom of the pan. Now, first, the oil must not to be too hot. If it's too hot, it will not cook through inside. And when you notice that you feel like it's cooked, you have to use your spoon. This spoon to press it and press it down. See, press it like this. You see that it doesn't come out. That means it's already cooked. So you put it in this place. In this place, put it there. You see? Put it there. You can see this one. You see? It's losing out. So that one is not done, but the rest is done. See what I'm telling you? If you did not press it down, you will not know maybe it's done or not. You just look like it's done and it's still raw inside. So I want to turn this over and let this one cook.
Okay.
Now everything is done. This is it looks fabulous, it tastes fabulous. This one day in my house. But if you are the only one, you can make this batch and put it in the fridge. Put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the fridge. It can last 3 days in the fridge. But if you put it in the freezer, it will not be good. Don't put it in the freezer. Don't do it. You can eat it with you can eat it with ogi, bread, any of your choice, rice, anything. Just eat it like that. You can eat it like that as a snack. And please don't forget to go to my YouTube channel, Mary Dami, on my YouTube channel. Please don't forget. And don't forget about this spice also. This spice, Mary Dami spice. Don't forget. That's it. This Mary Dami is the name of the YouTube. If you type Mary Dami, you will see it. And please like, comment, share, and turn on the notification. Ding, 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 ding. Bye. God bless you. Hi viewers. My name is Lola. The name of my YouTube channel is Mary Dami. And please go to my YouTube channel, like, comment, share, thumbs up, turn on the notification bell. Ging ging ging, it will stand ging 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 ging. It's like a bell. And please follow me on Facebook, Mary Olaleye on Facebook, and on TikTok. Follow me, it's Mary Olaleye on TikTok. Please, and please, I beg you, please subscribe. And we will start. And on today's episode of my kitchen, we'll be making akara, that is biscuit. Now you'll be thinking, oh, maybe you have made one biscuit before. That one is cooked, but this one is fried. Yes, that one is boiled. The first one that I make, if you watch it, you see that we boil it. We add some aromatic to it, but this one is just fried one. Now, I know that some people will comment and say, oh, can we bake it? We can't bake it. No, you have to fry it, as I'm going to show you. Let me go to the ingredients. We will need onion. We will need peeled beans, and I have pepper. I have bell pepper. This is it, and Scotch bonnet. See? Now we'll start blending everything together. Make it good. And we'll need blender. You add your onion to it. You add your bell pepper. See? And you will remove the seed because it's spicy. Remove the seed. But if you like it spicy, don't remove the seed. See? Remove the seed because it's spicy. Remove the seed. And then add it to it. Use bell pepper. I'm using half of bell pepper because it's too big. That's why I'm using half. And I'm using all this one. Just put it there. Then you will add your peeled beans to the blender. Now you know that what I make first, that one is so liquidy. It's liquidy because we are steaming it in the pot. But this one don't need to be liquid. You don't add too much water to it. Then we'll add a little bit of water. See? This one, you see it? Add it first so that you can know maybe it's okay or not, and blend it until it's smooth, to a smooth paste.